How to log into Roblox account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about login into your Roblox account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to launch your favorite web browser. Here I have launched my Google Chrome web browser. Go to the search bar in the top and then type in roblox.com and hit enter in your keyboard. Now this will take you to the official website of Roblox. Now tap on the login button in the top right corner if you already have an account, and if you do not, simply go ahead and enter the correct form of your birth date, a username, password, and gender, and then tap on sign up to sign up to your new account. Now if you'd like to log in directly to your account, tap on the login button in the top right. This will take you to the login portal where you have to first enter the correct form of your username in the first field. Then enter the password in the second field, then tap on login. But in the case if you've forgotten your password or username, you can tap on this forgot password or username option and then follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. You can also log in with your one-time code that will be sent to your specific email address which is associated with your account, or you can use another device to log in as well. And you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can log into your Roblox account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.